on, Ace. I'm sick of playing the waiting game. Let's take it to Fear and head for the haunted house.
Hold it, Sparks. We have to wait for Mark and Chuck Dude. That was the plan.
There's been a change in
Ace, tell me this was part of the plan, please?
It's hard to take a stand. It's hard to do what's right. No matter how scared you are, you have to stand and fight. And we don't have to play this game all alone, 'cause there's a hero. There's a hero in us all. It wakes a hero in us all.
This is what I was afraid of. You're too easy to defeat.
Got any other bright ideas?
I think it's time to go to Plan B.
Great! What's Plan B?
I don't know. We'll just have to make it up on the fly.
I'll be over here.
Ace! Ace!
And they'll get into the swing of things.
Lightning crashes and sparks out.
I've brought my greatest quarry to bay. Haven't you learned by now, Lightning? The element of surprise means everything.
Step into the light, evil ones!
Step into the light, evil ones.
Sounded better at home.
So bright!
You okay?
Now that you're here, you were right, kid. He can't stand the light.
That's probably why he spends all his time in the dark.
Ah, well, works for me.
I've heard of being afraid of the dark, but Kilobyte's afraid of the light.
Everyone has a weakness, Chuck Dude.
Even you?
Yeah. Even me.
Check it out. This is where the spaceship lands.
What is that?
It's just an alien. Sometimes they come in peace, but most of the time, they want to take over the world.
Oh, this is the life. Watching the telly, not having to worry about Kilobyte bossing us around. Indeed, my staff. Besides, what Kilobyte doesn't know won't hurt him.
What don't I know?
Oh, crikey, we're in for it now.
The TV was on, but we weren't watching it.
No.
Silence, you feeble worm. While you were wasting precious time, the Lightning Knights were using a new weapon against me. Where could they get this knowledge?
Maybe they learned it at school?
Yeah, they learn lots of junk there.
School? Yes. Investigate this school. See if you can discover something to use against them. Lord Fear.
Yes?
Consider this your last chance to prove yourself worthy.
Whatever you wish, Kilobyte. My humble staff and I are only here to serve you. Until it no longer serves us.
This one storm could light a major city for 3 years. Electricity is powerful. I know. I am full-time.
this scientific knowledge could help us defeat Ace Lightning. All we have to do is capture him.
Capture Ace Lightning? Haven't we been trying to do that for, like, ever?
Not Ace Lightning, you moron. The one who holds the secrets of Volton. The teacher. Howdy do.
Fiskars! Eyes front. Bone man. What is so interesting about this closet?
You've got a skeleton in your closet.
Oh! Class dismissed! Go! Go on! Get out! That's right! Off you go! Get out! Yes, go, go, go! Go on! Get out!
Teacher. Teacher.
They're back. The aliens have come back. They've come for me. They've come for my brain. My beautiful, bountiful, brilliant, bodaciously biological brain. I'm telling you, I saw a bone man. He was in the closet.
Oh, hey.
Any excuse to be near Cat, huh?
Good afternoon, Dits. Dits. Drivers in training, safety. I'm Mr. DeCutt, and welcome to Driver's Ed, where I will be steering you on the road to safe and defensive driving. And let's remember Mr. DeCutt's decree. Even if you're making a left, driving is not a right. It's a privilege. Speaking of privilege, I would like to announce who will be taking their first hands-on driving test tomorrow. And the winner is Mark Hollander.
Sucker.
And Wayne Fiskus. Isn't that great?
Duff! Let's get going, you imbecile. Anvil is waiting for us.
So what are you doing right now? Want to grab a slice?
I can't. I gotta study for my driving test.
Oh, come on. I'm sure you'll pass. And when you do, I was thinking maybe we could drive up north. I hear there's some really cool hiking trails up there.
Yeah, that sounds good. And you're right. I'm sure I'll pass. Let's go.
Samantha is not going to be happy. Those two are headed straight for Relationship City. Population, them. Because I promised Sam I'd watch Mark.
You know, Heather, if you paid half as much attention to me as you do to Mark...
Yeah?
You want to go to Molly something?
That's better.
Tell me about Volton, teacher.
I'm sorry, I must be in the wrong house. My son usually doesn't stay up too late studying.
It's my driving test at school tomorrow.
Ah, I knew it had to be something important.
So, how's it coming along?
It's okay. There's loads to learn. What if I fail?
Oh, there's worse things in the world than failing your driving test. Just take it again.
Yeah, it's just I could really use my license right now.
What's the rush? You and Chap planning a road trip?
Well, no. It's just there's this girl at school. Her name's Kat. Look, never mind. It's complicated.
Oh, I see. Well, hope everything works out all right with your driving test. And with Kat.
Hello? Samantha, how's boarding school? What are you doing up this late? You were thinking about me? Yeah. Yeah, me too.
Stop! Please stop!
Poor Mr. Cheeseman.
Please let me go. I'm a weak man.
Duff, one more time.
No! I promise. I won't tell anyone I've seen aliens.
Aliens? What is he blabbering about?
Let me try and explain. You're right. These guys are aliens. But they're the good kind of aliens.
Good aliens?
Yes, that's right. We're good aliens. Ace Lightning is an evil alien. A very evil alien.
What do you want with me? I'm a lowly science teacher.
How true. But you understand electricity. You can use your scientific knowledge to help us eliminate Ace Lightning and save the world.
Save the world?
Yes. Then all the aliens will leave this planet and you can live in peace.
Oh, that's true. I mean, that's all I've ever really wanted, a little peace of mind. No aliens to torment me.
Then you'll help us rid the world of Ace Lightning. Of course, we just wanted to make sure we understand each other, my friend and colleague.
Excuse me, I have to go find a paper bag. Oh, dear. Oh. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Oh, dear.
You have done well, Lord Fear. Huh? Proven yourself worthy at last. And for that, you deserve a reward.
Check out those wheels!
I call it the Doom Wagon. Do you like it?
It's perfect. How can I ever repay you?
By simply remaining loyal to your master.
Thank you, Kilobyte. It's the little things like this that count. Would you look at this upholstery, my lord?
Hey, Kilobyte. I've been loyal too, you know. I could use a set of wheels myself, don't you think? No. I'll take that as a no.
Yeah, but as I was saying, I don't...
Dude? Yeah. Save the world from evil aliens. Formula. Don't touch my formula. Shut your eyes! Class! Class, dismiss.
Whoa.
Chuck, I got a bad feeling about this.
Must protect formula.
I trust our research project has met with success. Teacher!
Miracle of modern science, if I do say so myself. We expect to eliminate the evil alien's energy. Ergo, we need a conductive substance. Sodium
rich in electrolytes. So, voila, I have created an evil alien-destroying, supersaturated solution, H2O NaCl. I call it Formula XZX. Patent pending, of course.
Kudos, Professor. And this will destroy a lightning knife? Ahem. Don't you mean an evil alien, my lord? Quite right, my truthful totem. An evil alien named Ace Lightning?
Oh, absolutely, yes, guaranteed. I mean, if he steps in it, or if it's splashed on him, it will short out his electricity and render him powerless.
Lightning here. He's there now? Watch out for new weapon. Got it. Lord Fear is at school. It could be a trap.
Yeah! Come on, Ace, let's rock!
No, this is between me and Fear. If he wants a showdown, then that's what he'll get.
Ace, calm down! Look, don't let your anger get the best.
What was that?
Hollander!
Lightning's sidekick. He knows our plan! Seize him!
Me?
Yes!
Hollander! Come back and in we go!
Sorry.
Whoa, head-on collision. It's not an example of your driving skills.
What? Driver's test. I forgot.
You forgot. A driver never forgets. A driver is always aware. Are you a driver, Mr. Hollander?
No. I mean, no. That's why I'm taking the lessons.
Word to the wise. Leave the jokes to me, okay? Distracting the driver. -1.
But we're not even in the car yet.
Good point, Mr. Hollander. Driver's seat. Mr. Fiscus, back seat. Proceed.
You won't escape this time, Hollander!
Well done, Mr. Hollander. Eyes on the road. Defensive driving, that's the ticket. Or rather, how to avoid a ticket.
Uh-oh.
Oh, what's wrong? Run over a squirrel? Slow down! Slow down! Pull the car over! Mr. Hollander, slow down!
I can't.
Cool, gun it, dude! Mr. Hollander, give me the wheel, Mr. Hollander. You fail now! Give me the wheel! Oh!
Oh, man. Can this thing go any faster? Come on!
I've got you now!
Faster, faster!
Oh, bravo, rat! Sandwich time!
This isn't Fear.
What an unexpected surprise!
Joyride's over.
Bottoms up. Don't you know to look both ways before you cross the street? Damn it!
Mr. Holliday, you are an incredible driver.
He is?
Yes, yes, the most incredible driver that I've ever failed in my life. You are out of driver's ed, my friend.
Well, has Ace Lightning been eliminated?
Well, we got good news and bad news. The formula works, but Lightning lives.
Get it right next time, or you'll be the one who's eliminated.
That sure takes the shine off it. Oh, shut up.
And you should have seen Brit Boy. It was like the Indy 500. Look on the bright side, dude. You got kicked out of driver's ed class, but you're a legend in your own time. Kids at this school are gonna be talking about your driver's ed test for years to come. You're the man.
Thanks, Chuck. That's really cheered me up.
No problem, bro.
Well, if it isn't the speed racer himself. Spoke to Sam last night, huh?
Yeah, well...
Me too. I hear you're driving up to her boarding school.
Yeah, well, I was going...
Oh, wait. You can't. You flunked driver's ed test.
Hey, Mark, how'd it go?
You didn't hear.
Hear what?
I can't take driver's ed anymore.
Really? Oh, well, no biggie. At least you can take it again next semester.
What's that?
Oh, it's nothing. Just a map. I was thinking maybe we could plan our trip up north, but I guess it'll have to wait.
Yeah, I guess so.
Mark warned me about Fear's new weapon, but all I felt was anger. I had to attack. I wasn't thinking. And now I feel like a failure. These human emotions are dragging me down.
Come on, Ace, chill out. You can't win them all. Like you said, everyone has a weakness.
But not everyone's weakness can destroy them.